I'll be showing you the 3 best apps to create trust and proof on your Shopify store, which would help create a sense of comfortability for the customer so that make them more likely to purchase, hopefully increasing your overall conversion rate. So I'll be taking a look at these top 3 apps, looking at the reviews, pricing, and features, as well as why you should be including them on your Shopify store. The first app is going to be a TrustBadges app. This is TrustBadges Bear. This app is going to be completely free as well, making it a super easy install for your store. And it is also very easy to set up. It basically just allows you to create simple trust badges that can be put onto your product pages. Typically, these include credit card logos, as it's been shown that including these logos can help increase a sense of trust as you're using brand names the customer is most likely to recognize. It makes it super easy to set up. You can add your different logos, change the designs, as well as add over 300 badges and icons so you can cater them to where you're advertising to potential customers. You can also place them on the checkout page, the product page, or really anywhere on your Shopify store using their template. It's also going to be mobile optimized, and they are adding new badges weekly. And it's going to be super fast as well, less than 30 KB in size. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 star rating with 1.2 thousand 5-star reviews. And as I mentioned, it's completely free, so definitely worth checking out. Before we go any further, I want to thank our sponsor, ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to give you real-time calculations on your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get detailed analytics, as well as a variety of different analytics and reports. It's going to give you a really good understanding of how your store is truly performing so you can make more sound business decisions. It's going to integrate seamlessly with your different ad accounts such as Facebook, Google, Snapchat, TikTok, Bing, and Pinterest. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial. If you search ProfitCalc in the Shopify App Store, you can find the same listing to access a 15-day free trial so you can test everything out for yourself. So the second app is going to be a recent order pop-up. This is going to recreate what it's like to be in a physical store. So if you've ever gone to a restaurant or a store that has a long line or a lot of customers inside, this adds further social proof that this place must be good because there are so many customers already shopping there. So this pop-up is just going to show up in the top left of the store, showing recent sales orders that customers have made. You can customize the design here on how it's going to look to match your Shopify theme. You're also going to get analytics as to how many impressions, page views, and clicks these pop-ups have also generated. You can also add cart notifications as well. So if you're not generating a lot of sales, customers can see how many other customers are currently adding things to their cart. This app is great because it does have a completely free plan here for unlimited orders, unlimited notifications, cart notifications, and for the premium plan at $4.99 a month, you're going to get translatable notifications, custom colors, as well as batch settings. And in terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 stars.